Hello parents and the sweet little ones. How are you all? Doing good, right? Okay. Today I brought a small video related to the pattern writing in detailed actually. Some of the parents who are the young parents, that means whose kids are new to writing, has called me and were asking for a detailed explanation of each and every stroke, which will be useful for them. And also I thought that these patterns are not just for the beginners, it also helps the kids to have a good grip of the pencil and make it easy to write alphabets further. So I have brought a short video. I'm making this video for them particularly, and so let's start off. Today I'll be talking about the straight lines. Now in straight lines we have standing line, sleeping line, left slanting line and right slanting line. To start off with the standing line, if you observe, always make your kids to write on a ruled book, not on a white paper. This is a suggestion. Please don't allow them scribble on the white papers. Take ruled books and give them proper writing skills. Okay, practice. So starting with the standing line, if you see, we have to start from the top line and go down to the bottom line. Once we write on the dotted lines, if they are comfortable, you can just give a dot on the above line and a dot at the bottom line, and then draw the line from top to bottom. This is called a standing line, and you can practice in various ways with the dotted lines, with single dots, as well as without dots. Okay, this is very simple. Here they have to identify the standing line, and also what they have to do, they should write it properly. Okay, next, moving on, it's the sleeping line. Why is it called sleeping line, kids? Because if we sleep on the cot, we look like this line. Yes or no? It's called the sleeping line. Okay, here in the sleeping line, we have to start from the left and move to the right. Okay, starting from the left corner, move towards the right. It's called the sleeping line. Once they are okay with the dotted lines, you can give 2 single dots and ask them to write from the left to the right. Okay, and similarly without dots they have to practice. This is called the sleeping line. Next, move on, it's the left slanting line. Just a small slant or towards the left. Okay, that is, here also similar to the standing line, we have to start from the top and go towards the right, down, this way, from the top to the bottom. Okay, if they are okay with the dotted lines, you can give just 2 dots and then draw from top to the bottom. Similarly without dots. Finally, each stroke should be identified properly, and they have to nicely draw and show you. Here they have to touch both the top line and bottom line clearly. No scribbling. Next, moving on to the right slanting line. This line is little slanted towards the right. So here also we have to start from the top and go down to the bottom. Alright, giving 2 dots, we do it the same way from the top to the bottom. Similarly without dots. Each kid has to identify the lines by the name and then draw it properly on the between the lines. Similarly, once they know all the 4 lines, they can do a freehand practice this way, like coming down, going up, down and up. If you observe here, when we write the slanting lines, we have to touch the top line and the bottom line in the ruled book. Once they are okay with the dotted lines, we can start off giving single dots on the top line and the bottom line, going down, moving up, going down, moving up. Nice, kids. Did you like it? You have to write this way nicely, up and down. You should not move above the line, you should not move below the line. You have to just touch the line and go to the next stroke. Alright, These are the straight line strokes in pattern writing. Had fun, kids? For more fun learning videos, please do subscribe to this channel. I'll be uploading more and more videos, and if you have already subscribed, please ring the bell icon to get the updates of the latest videos. See you soon.